Hey YouTube, what's going on guys? Today I am in Berbice, Guyana, South America, also Caribbean country. If you don't believe it's Caribbean, watch the video I have here. It's gonna pop up right now. Boom! All these trees in the back here. What are they? This is a coconut tree. This is a coconut tree. This is a coconut tree. What do people do with all these coconut trees? Do you know? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. How much is the coconut? Yeah, I'll go. You have any cold one? That's fine. You have jelly or no? Or all young? Okay, I'll take one. Today, I'm doing a series on the usefulness of coconut tree. Number one, this is part one. This is coconut, water coconut. So I'm gonna go into our garden or farm here in Berbice and get some coconut water. Well, pick coconut off the tree, chop it, get the coconut open. Hopefully there's like the delicacy, which is jelly inside the coconut. I'm gonna show you what that is if you don't know what jelly is. So yeah, we're gonna go look for some coconut water. Follow me. Why am I doing that?
I don't know.
Come guys, come a little bit closer, follow me. I want you guys to stay close to me. Whoa, and for the main attraction guys. The main attraction is right here. That's called water coconut. We're gonna be drinking that. When you're in the wild looking for water coconut, you want to make sure you look for bees and insects that will sting you. So now there's two trusses of coconut. I want to pick the one that's older. How do I know that? Let me show you. How do you know which one is older? The one that's lower. The one that's lower to the ground is older. These two seem to be like twins, because it's up here on the second branch up. The other one is just like the third branch up. As you can see, it's a bit smaller than this one. So I'm gonna pick this. Hopefully there's jelly inside. So I'm gonna pick this, bust it up for you guys. I'm gonna show you how I chop this truss down. Ow! Oh, ants! Ah! Something bit me real bad. Like, ow!
Right, look at those big ants.
Ow! It's a big black one. That sucker! Ow! It stings! Ah!
Go back.
I gotta go back for my coconut. Oh, sucker sting me. I think it's a copra.
I don't know what that is.
It's a big ass ant with a big teeth.
Let's take it to the front.
I'm gonna take this up there and we'll show you how to cut it. Hey guys, I have a coconut farm back here. I'm looking to expand. I want to plant 1,000 trees every 3 months. I'm looking for investors. I have over 100 acres of land just to plant coconut, okay? If you guys want to partner with me to plant coconut trees in Guyana. As you can see from this series that I've been shooting, every part of a coconut is useful and it's worth money. It's a money tree actually. Everybody wants to go think America and Canada has money tree. No, it has hard work and freezing cold weather, but it's also safe and secure and no mosquito. But what does Guyana have? Fertile land for coconut trees, guys. 25 to 30 degrees Celsius weather all year round. I have the land. I showed you what coconut can do, and I took you to the market and showed you the local market, how expensive it is. Then the main Georgetown, everything is almost double the price than the local skeleton market. And export market is 4 times the price. Okay guys, so So coconut is here to stay. And if you guys want to join me in this venture in Guyana to plant 4,000 coconut trees per year, that's my goal. 4,000 coconut trees per year. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. You will get a return on investment for sure for years and years to come. Meanwhile, it's tax free, it's duty free. There's no tax on that stuff. It's cash money. Hey guys, part 2 is coming soon. In the meantime, hey my awesome YouTube followers, thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see my other videos. I upload new videos several times per week. Please like and comment below right now. Do me a favor, will ya? Go over to my YouTube page and check out all of my other videos. You just might like them.